out here right now, Rio Vista. Just pulled up. About to start fishing right now. Wish me luck. Beautiful out here at 7 in the morning. About to bait up right now. Using a 6-ounce weight with some bloodworms again out here. Got them at the bait shop right here at Rio Vista. That's how I do it. Go, man, let's go. Let's get some luck out here. Got my HWY BG 5000, my HWY Pro emblem. Let's see, guys. There he is. Took out my bait, man. You don't understand. I'm trying to let him go. Small ass fish. Damn. Oh my God. That's a baby. That's crazy. There she goes. Another baby, guys. I have to fish through all these smaller ones just to get to the big ones, man. Another one. Probably caught like, I don't know, I can't even count no more how many I caught on these sides. Take it on my bait, man. Way too small. That's how you do it, guys. Woo! Yep. Damn. Let's go. Woo! Damn. I'm pumping right now. Oh man, smacked it hard. That's what we came here for. That's what I came for. Let's go. That red hook's clutch, man. Let's go. Woo! 23 inches, guys. 23. Let's go. All right, guys. I just caught that 23 incher. The thing is, though, I have to fish through all the small fish. I've been getting bites like crazy. I'm wasting a lot of bait. I'm almost down to my last few bloodworms left. And I just got one striper for it, one keeper. Right? Yeah, there we go. Out here at Sherman Island with what? Big Z? What? What's the odds of that? Corey about to put a cast. Just throw it to the left, who cares? Send it. Water's going up anyway. There we go. Woo!
Oh. There we go. There we go. Corey got one on the Mudsuckers. It pulled right in. You saw that?
Yeah, sick.
Yahoo! Bigger. Bigger? Bigger. Oh.
Woo! Let's go.
Man, I saw it.
Andre, this one's going too.
Huh? Tango.
Oh.
Tango. No, it's going to.
I think it could be tango. Yeah, it's tango.
Or it's big one, right?
Ooh, let's go, man.
Let's go, baby.
Hey, we came back just in time, Andre.
Hell yeah. Oh, mine is eating too. Oh, no, you're saying a lot more. But maybe go ahead, you got him. That's a big one. Big striper right there. There we go. There we go.
Ooh. Yeah, keeper. Yeah, it's keeper for sure.
Yeah. Knock it, clutch. Okay.
Ooh, damn. Hey, we came right on time, man.
Right on time. On a mudsucker, guys.
See, they eat when I eat.
I know you're eating that jerky too. Probably 20.
All right, man. Corey just landed this bad boy right here.
It's a 19.
19. Hit the bullhead?
Yeah, with the mudsucker.
Oh, the mudsucker?
Mudsucker.
Damn.
All right, let's get to it.
It's keeper. Hey, get it, dude. Ooh. You got him. Oh.
Baby, on video.
And he just cast it in.
Childhood, same
Next
spot,
one we gotta move
baby.
to
Yeah, he just cast it in not even like 5 minutes ago.
Dude, it was like 2 minutes tops.
No, yeah, not 5 minutes though. Yeah, under 5 minutes.
He's keeper. Sure.
Woo! I like that. Oh, he jumped.
No, open.
What is that?
He just jumped.
Yeah. Make it loose.
Oh yeah.
He's pulling drag, baby.
Hey, come this side.
No, I got it. It's fine. I think it's
No, there's a log right there.
There's a log right there. I think it's right too.
Oh, seriously?
He jumped though.
Make sure you stay in the water.
Oh yeah, he's definitely a sturgeon, maybe one.
Baby sturgeon.
I can jump.
Maybe.
No, it's big. It's a good size.
I'm hoping it is too.
Salmon?
It's a good.
Oh,
It can be.
No, that's too small to be salmon.
Yeah,
Salmon would be monster.
It's a good size striper for sure.
I wish I had my shoes off.
and it's quite different. I don't think it's a shirt though. It's a similar shirt.
Nah, it's nice. It's a nice size, dude.
Are you sure?
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, that's striper.
It looked like a.
Oh yeah, striper.
Why is it moving so fast?
Striper, dude. Oh, it's nice size.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Oh yeah.
That bullhead, baby.
Oh, shout.
Oh, that's like a 22.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Good size, dude. Good size.
Uh-huh.
He's so good. He ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, he ain't going anywhere.
Nowhere. I was.
Ooh, damn.
Ooh, that's 23.
That's
That's
how
nice.
you
Oh, it's
do
23.
That's 23.
Corey on that 5-0 hook, Corey.
Damn.
Okay, I got mine on the floor.
Hey, that's nice. That's
Oh,
take
Mudsuckers
23.
still alive.
Oh,
Mudsuckers
hell
still
yeah.
alive.
I am reusing that too.
Hey, man. Good shit.
Circle hook, that's what it does. Always to the
Yep.
corner. Always to that corner, see?
Why you think I
Yeah.
didn't set the hook, Eric?
You just lift it a
Yeah,
little bit.
I just lifted.
Yeah. Oh, man. There we go.
24. 24.
Let's go ahead.
Yeah, it's bigger. Yeah, it's pretty
What do you
big.
think? I got 24.
I think I call it
20. I call it 23.
24 and a half.
23?
That's 23.
24 and a half.
Yeah, get it.
Oh, man. Hey, that's lovely, man. And you just cast it in.
Yeah. I think it was the same one, was it?
Nah.
I don't know. Probably.
It's cool. You just cast it in.
That's a 23, like Eric said.
Oh, I say. I'm telling you. I always call it right.
23.
Oh, Jay, I did it all the time before.
Bites left and right. The water's going up.
Oh, we got a seal.
Corey's chilling.
Damn.
In the water.
Cool. Hey, you know what?
Enjoying the
You know what?
They can't see you anyways. Hey, fool!
Damn, we got a big ass bite. Oh shit. Get it, Corey?
Oh.
Bye-bye. What? Oh, my line 2. Yeah, you're right.